Assalamualaikum, this is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. First of all, I'll share with you this look. If you do like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Let's not waste any more time. Carry on watching. Alright, I have already primed my face, so I'm just gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna quickly get my brows to behave. What happened was, a week or so back, it was my father-in-law's birthday. Yeah, I made a reservation for high tea. What happened was that if you follow me, you know that I'm Muslim. To each their own, how you want to interpret your faith or how do you want to live, by your faith. Alhamdulillah, I have always tried, or I have not been in a situation where food was a concern, where I'm not able to get food without pork. So I made a reservation to this high tea place. It's a, I think, local chain restaurant that serves local food, Violet own. When I called them, I told them that I just don't want to have pork or lard being served. I believe it's because we live in Singapore. Religion, whatever you practice, is greatly tolerated. And it's appreciated, I feel, because in public housing, you have neighbors of all different races and creed. You celebrate. I remember growing up, I have neighbors, who would give us food during festivals and all that. So. That's the kind of environment we have in Singapore. People in my generation, we grew up with this much love that we have received from neighbors. I live in Singapore, that's why I'm able to call up a restaurant and say, you know what, I don't want pork and lard on my menu, so please do something about it, please replace the items. And with all that said, we went off to Violet. So we were served, and I just felt like asking, there's no pork and lard, right? And then he tells me, oh, you can't eat the bobo cha-cha. I say, okay, fine, then please replace it. It's not possible. That did not sit well with, because I saw the reservation list when I was coming into the restaurant. It was clearly stated there, I have requested for no pork and no lard. I got up, I think, twice, asking can something be done. Then the server reluctantly said, you know what, here, two other items, cakes that were not very pleasant. Taste wise it's okay, but looks wise no. So he was reluctant, like, hey, you know what, there you go, stop whining. And then he left. Yeah, after our high tea, we went off to explore. At night, came back, and we do what we do best, that is, we take to social media to whine about our experience. Beauty and power of social media. I don't have so much following, and so I usually just whine and get it out, because I don't journal. Do not keep a journal. I believe it was a day or two later, the team from Violet owned, the manager got back. He said, I'm extremely sorry, how do we make you up? I fast forward to today, and he's giving us complimentary high tea for 4 packs, and I am getting ready. Don't go anywhere, stay around. And if you like what you see so far, please give me a thumbs up. This tiny little beauty blender that I'm using can be found, the beauty blender here, can be found in my online store. The palette that I'll be using is HUDA Beauty, the Desert Dust palette. It can be found on my online store, so if you do like the colors, then check it out. This is a master copy, so if you're okay with how the colors look and if you're not too fussy, then you can try out using a master copy. This is what I'll be putting all over my lid. And just swipe it like window wiper or car wiper. This is Kat Von D's ink liner. Okay, foundation is done. This is, I've used it to death. I'm already touching pan. I will just step on this color. I'm just quickly applying a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna use mascara. Yeah, so this is by ETUDE House, and it's much thinner. I'm done. I'll drop the link in the description box below, the products that I've used. And if you do like what you see, this is just the first of my vlog. because today you guys are gonna hang out with me. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Today it's gonna be a vlog. It's a get ready with me. I will share with you what I do. Today I have a high tea to go to, and after that I'll be going over to my brother's new house.